kids! Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub. Do you want to draw something magical today? Let's draw a beautiful rainbow with clouds and raindrops. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Grab your black marker and let's get started. First, let's start by drawing two fluffy clouds, one on the left and one on the right. Make them big and round like cotton candy. Now, draw 6 curved lines connecting the two clouds. These are the arcs of our rainbow. Try to make them nice and even. Time to add some raindrops falling from each cloud. Draw little teardrop shapes underneath both clouds. Nice job, everyone! Our drawing is complete. Let's make the outline bold and sharp so our artwork pops. Trace over all the lines again carefully. Looking awesome, isn't it?
Yay!
Now it's time to color. We're going to use the beautiful rainbow colors. Let's name them together as we color each arc. Red color.
Wow!
Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. Purple color. Great job! Wow! Your rainbow looks magical and colorful. Thanks for drawing with us at Toddlers Art Hub. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun art videos. See you next time,
Yay!
little artists! Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.